In America, you can work 12 hours a day and still not afford dinner. Meet Max. He drives for Uber. His bank account has $11.43. Every morning, Max wakes up at 5 a.m., not because he wants to, because rent is due in 4 days. Before Max makes a single dollar, he has to fill the tank. Gas is $6.89 a gallon. Again. Max does the math in his head. Then he stops doing the math. Max picks up his first passenger of the day. Her name is Karen. She gives 1-star ratings for not talking enough, and for talking too much, and for existing.
By noon, Max has driven 4 hours and completed 9 trips. Uber's cut, 35%. Net earnings after gas, $38.17.
At 4 p.m., Max sees it. Surge pricing, 2.1 times. He drives 20 minutes toward the surge zone. The surge disappears. It was never real. At 7 p.m., Uber sends a warning. His acceptance rate is too low. If it drops further, he gets deactivated. Max has no other income, so he accepts the next ride.
The ride is 45 minutes away. No surge. Tip, 0. Max is not an employee, not a contractor, just a car with anxiety.
At 11 p.m., Max parks outside his apartment. He made $94 today, before expenses. After gas and Uber's cut, $31. For 13 hours of work. Max opens his phone. He doesn't order food. He searches how to start a business. He doesn't know if it'll work, but he knows this can't be it. Chad Brooks drove Uber too, for 8 months. Then he built something of his own. The road doesn't have to go in circles.
If this is your life, you already know what to do. And if you don't, keep watching. Just another day in the land of opportunity.